Welcome, today I am with Google Pixel 6 and I'm going to make fingerprint sensor test. We are going to check how fast it works. Of course, the sensor we can find on the screen in this place. By the way, I have on the screen tempered glass, so it will be also a good test for sensitivity of this sensor. So yeah, let's start. Okay, so as you can see, this sensor works really bad, honestly, and I'm surprised. I don't remember the sensor that performed that bad. That's crazy because I test a lot of smartphones, even these phones that you have to pay for like 80 bucks, and this sensor were still more reliable than this one. In this Pixel 6 we get a lot of mistakes. I mean, there's a lot of unsuccessful tries when I try to scan my fingerprint. Just take a look. That's crazy. I don't know, maybe it's the reason of the tempered glass on the screen. But I also test a lot of smartphones with the tempered glass on the screen with the default protection like thin foil, and that surprised me. And yeah, basically, as you can see, that's how the sensor performed. It's not fast at all. You can find a lot of different smartphones with the cheapest price. Oh, I'm just like shocked or something like that, because in almost everything the smartphone rocks, but in this recognition of the fingerprint, it's just bad. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.